Did you know that a simple spice can transform your health? Imagine waking up every day and adding a bit of ginger to your routine. It's like giving your body a superhero cape. From boosting your immune system to reducing inflammation, ginger is a powerhouse packed with antioxidants. Just one slice can help ease nausea and improve digestion, making it your stomach's best friend. But that's not all. Studies show that daily ginger consumption can even enhance brain function and lower the risk of chronic diseases. So why not sprinkle some ginger into your morning smoothie or sip on ginger tea? With each bite, you're not just tasting something delicious, you're investing in a healthier, happier you. Ready to unleash the magic? Let ginger be your daily ritual.